Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Microsoft Authenticator app loop problem, where the app keeps asking you to sign in or verify again and again. This issue usually happens because of sync errors, outdated app data, or account conflicts. First, close the Authenticator app completely. Then, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Authenticator, and tap Storage. Clear the cache only, not the data. This step fixes most looping issues without removing your accounts. Next, make sure the app is fully updated. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator, and install any available updates. An outdated version often causes sign-in loops. Now, check your device time settings. Go to Date and Time on your phone and enable Automatic Date and Time. Incorrect time settings can break authentication and cause repeated verification prompts. If the problem continues, sign in to your Microsoft account from a browser. Open Security Settings, review your sign-in methods, and remove duplicate or old Authenticator entries. After that, open the app again and try signing in. As a last step, you may uninstall and reinstall the app, then re-add your account using the QR code from your security settings. Make sure you have a backup sign-in method before doing this. Once completed, open the app and test a login. The loop should now be resolved, and Microsoft Authenticator should work smoothly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.